Okay, I'm just going to do a quick video today to stop a problem that happens with the RSVs and the Aprilia Tuonos. It's when your fuel cap leaks. All you need is one of these little O-rings. It's about 1¼ inches across. Then all you do, this seal, this like rubber thing here, you just like, let's try and hold the camera and do it at the same time. You just try and put it underneath like this. Hold on 1 second, just put this down a second. Okay, so like, can you see how it's can you see how it's been put underneath the seal like that? And then all it does is bring this forward, so when you shut your lid, it gives it a nice tight seal. So when you lift your tank, no more leaking. Okay, nice easy little thing to do to stop your cap leaking.